Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the Bestfire HD10 tablet. We'll compare the Bestfire HD10 tablet on the market and list its features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The Fire HD10 tablet stands out as an affordable yet powerful device for entertainment, productivity, and everyday use. With a 25% faster performance than its predecessor and 3 GB of RAM, this tablet delivers a smooth, lag-free experience, whether you're streaming shows, reading ebooks, browsing the web, or gaming. The large 10.1-inch 1080p Full HD display is vibrant and sharp, making it ideal for watching videos on Netflix or Prime Video, playing games, or scrolling through social media. What sets the Fire HD10 apart is its excellent battery life, offering up to 13 hours of usage on a single charge, which is perfect for long commutes, flights, or binge-watching marathons. It comes with 32 GB or 64 GB of internal storage, and for those who need more space, it supports micro SD cards up to 1 TB sold separately, providing ample room for movies, photos, and apps. Built with aluminosilicate glass, this tablet is not only lightweight and portable, but also impressively durable. The 5-megapixel front-facing camera is suitable for video calls, Zoom meetings, or content creation for platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Pairing it with the made-for-Amazon stylus pen, sold separately, unlocks creative potential, allowing you to draw, take notes, or annotate documents with 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. For families, the tablet integrates Amazon Kids parental controls and offers the optional Amazon Kids Plus subscription, giving access to thousands of child-friendly books, apps, games, and videos. The Fire HD10 also includes Alexa Voice Assistant, which can help with tasks, smart home control, or entertainment on command. In terms of sustainability, Amazon has made efforts to reduce its environmental footprint, using 12% recycled materials and packaging that's 98% wood fiber-based from responsible sources. Altogether, the Fire HD10 is a well-rounded, budget-friendly tablet with performance, durability, and features that make it suitable for both casual users and families alike. Thanks for watching the video.